watch me. Make a girl know the pattern and scrape.
Yes, so welcome my people. Respect for tuning in to another video. Also consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also give this video a like and share up the content so that others can be in the know. So now people, veteran dancehall artist Cobra was on Tuesday caught in the United States of America with C0ca and also a tool. You see me as some people? Yeah, and basically it is like the same thing like where happened to Buju and also Flava Mafia. You see me I say? So right now my people, we just get down into the meat of the matter and we couldn't really know what going on. You see me I say? So basically the news has stated that veteran dancehall artist Cobra was arrested on Tuesday after deputies in the Florence County pulled him over for a traffic stop and discovered 2 kilos of C0ca in his vehicle. According to the sheriff's office, a release from the Florence County Sheriff's Office said that 55 years old Ewart Everton Brown of Fort Lauderdale was arrested on Tuesday after deputies initiate a traffic stop on his black BMW SUV for speeding along 195 in Florence County. As some people, so basically deputies claimed that they had reasonable suspicion of a criminal activity and asked Brown for consent to search his vehicle. During the search, they discovered 2 kilos of C0ca and also a tool. The veteran dancehall artist now faces charges of trafficking C0ca and also a possession of tool. You see me I say people say you don't know say right there, so it not really look good for Cobra. You see me I say, but carrying on now, well, basically Brown was taken into custody and is currently being held at the Florence County Detention Center awaiting a bond hearing. The DJ Cobra was a youth star in the 1990s. His hit song Flex was recently sampled by American singer-actress Janelle Monáe in her latest single Lipstick Lover. You see me I say people, Flex was included on Cobra's major label debut album Art to Wet, Easy to Dry, Columbia Records. As I say, the single rose to the number 13 on the Billboard Hot 100 chart. It was certified gold in the United States for selling over 500,000 units in the country. Yes, so basically Cobra is also known for the hit single Press Trigger, Diss Them Anyway, Done Wife and Defend It. Yes, I know my people, you don't know, so basically this is not really a good look for Cobra. You see me I say, you don't know, say worse, I'm a 55 right now. I don't know if I really run the DJ or run short of money or what, or him just a try make some money. You see me I say, it also look like he's also a resident in the United States. You see me I say, and really and truly when we really check the comment section, I want to tell us enough people I say, yo, it come like Cobra now learn from Buju Banton and etc. And you don't know, I don't know if them are going to deport him or them are going to lock him up just like Buju Banton or even Flava Mafia and let him go. You understand what I mean? But as I said before people, this is not really a good look for the DJ. You see me I say, and sorry to say that this happened to Cobra. You see me I say people, but you don't know how the thing go people. I just want to know drop on honest thoughts down into the comment section about all of this and yeah, you know, just make you know what you really think about it. You see me I say, and I just hope the best for Cobra. You see me I say, because you don't know Cobra one of our veteran dancehall artists where you don't know the whole of Jamaica and the whole of the dancehall fans them love. You see me as a people. Yes, so basically as I said before, I just want to share your thoughts about this down into the comment section. You see me I say, and make me know what you really think about the whole situation. You see me I say, also consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also give this video a like and share up the content so that others can be in the know. And you don't know people, any further news on this I will keep you updated, so you don't know how to think of. Peace, I'm out.